Hi, my name is Rob from skidsteersolutions.com. I want to introduce to you our 6-way dozer blade. This dozer blade is built specifically for skid steers. It has a 6-way control on it, so you can tip it, tilt it, as well as move it back and forth using your tilt cylinders. All of our solenoid controlled machines have this solenoid built on here. What we give you is a wiring harness. We give you all the wiring you need to hook it up. And in a little white box that comes with everything we have, we give you all the wire that goes right back into your machine. And we also give you the switch kit. To connect this, all you're going to do is take this 25-foot wire. You'll terminate it where your hydraulics are. You'll run it back through the boom. On most of these Bobcats, you can put it actually inside the boom and run it right to the back. Pull our hydraulic lines back into the machine. Connect your switch kit. We usually put that on the left stick, and then run it back to your battery, and then plug this connector into it. What that's going to enable you to do is you're going to be able to then switch your hydraulics from tip to tilt function on the fly. So when you're normally operating the blade and you just want it to tilt back and forth, you will just use your regular hydraulic controls on your right stick. You're just using the paddle. You'll paddle it left or right. That'll make it tip one way or the other. When you want it to tilt, what you'll do is you'll push that button that we supplied you with, and then use your hydraulics at the same time. And what that does is it diverts the fluid then that you're already running, diverts it, and allows the blade to tip. Now, something that's unique to Skid Steer Solutions is we do offer you the factory 14-pin and 8-pin connectors available on Caterpillar, John Deere, Bobcat, Takeuchi, ASV. Those are available as an option to any of our attachments that use solenoid controls. What this does is it has a mating adapter that plugs right into the standard harness, and then you can plug it directly into your 14-pin kit on your Bobcat. Now, make sure that it is a 14-pin kit and not the 7-pin. The 7-pin will not work on any external functions on outside manufacturer attachments. So all I would do is just plug it into my harness that's already on my attachment. Now I have a factory setup to operate my backhoe or my dozer blade or whatever I want to run. Now, how I operate that from inside the cab now is on a Bobcat. My paddle controls, my right paddle control with my thumb will operate the tilting functions of the blade, and the left paddle control on my left stick will operate the tipping functions. It's just that easy. So I just want to give you the basic instructions on how to install this and how to set it up on your machine. So after I've either run my wiring harness or installed a 14-pin plug-and-play connector onto my harness, I'm ready to go. All I want to do now is I'm just going to hook onto the skid steer. Basically, I'm just going to drive up into it. I'm going to hook this upper lip here with my quick attach. I'm going to roll the plate back, and then I'm going to push my levers down. Now, my machine is hydraulically operated from inside, so when I go to hook on, you'll see my levers go down automatically. I'm just moving forward. I'm going to connect onto the attachment, roll my tilt cylinders back so it grabs the blade, and now I'm just going to push my power Bobcat down, and now it's hooked in. So now I've got the blade connected to the machine, so all I'm going to do is install my quick couplers. So by pushing the top one on, the lower one, and then I've got the plug and play option for the 14-pin kit on here. Just going to install that here. That's it. That's all I need to operate my dozer blade.